Good afternoon, everyone. All keep hands on your lap, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. Hands on the lap, all of you, so that we can start the prayer. Good. Hina, Ashley, Ayesha, Radhika, on the video. Rujla, Tejaswi, Suhavi, you have to on, then I will start the class and the prayer. Ridhima also. Javish, Bhumika, Avreen, Japleen, Bhumika Beloria. On the video, girls, faster. I'm waiting for all the participants to on the video. Fast, fast. Okay, Pujnik, very good. Keep hands on your lap, close your eyes. We will say the prayer. Ashley, bache, sit in one place. We are starting the prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for this beautiful day. Help each one of us to understand what is taught today so that we can participate actively in today's class. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. Now all will say the universal prayer. So all say, our Father in heaven. Will start. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Rohani, sit properly, beta. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, today on the screen, you are able to see, I have shared my screen with you with the topic shoot system. Just give me a second. Okay. First, I will start with Rohani, so that Rohani is saying she did not get chance yesterday. Rohani, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is given? Which topic is given on the screen?
Parts of shoot system.
Yes, and you have done the long answer I have sent you about the shoot system. What is STEM?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read the first
STEM
line
is
given
the
there.
STEM is the main part of the shoot system, and as it is the one that provides an access for leaves, fruit, and bud.
Okay, now wait a minute. Now in your book you have written, you have done that stem is the direct elongation of the first young shoot developing from the seed. And it is
Yes,
having the
ma'am.
main axis. Main axis means only one stem. And when you see a big tree, what happens with that big tree? You see a very hard structure outside, which we called it stem, and it is also known as trunk. What it is known as, Rohani?
Trunk.
Trunk. Long part and very hard it is, which make the plant to change into tree. And
Yes, ma'am.
when you see the trunk, it is very hard, woody, and we also call it the bark of the tree. What we call it? The bark of the
Bark of the
yes.
tree.
The place on the stem or a branch where one or more leaves grow. That is known as node. Rohani, you repeat after me. The place on the stem
The place on the stem
or a branch
or a branch
where
where
one or more leaves
one or more leaves
grow.
grow.
is known as node. Is known as
Is known as node.
node. N-O-D-E. Say the spelling of node.
Yes. Node.
Okay, bache. Okay. Now, just one, but don't raise your hand. I have told you not to raise your hand, na, bacha.
Bhaiya.
That will be given to all. Agamjot, unmute yourself. Agamjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashley, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anasri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditi Mehra, unmute yourself. I'm starting from the starting so that every child will get the chance to speak. Yes. Okay. Agamjot, now can you?
Yes, ma'am.
You will repeat after me the definition of kingdom. Okay? And disturbance should not be there, beta. You only have your voice. You have to listen to me, and when I'll tell you to speak, that time you will speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Disturbance should not be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Agamjot, now what you will do is the distance between
oh.
two nodes. Say now repeat after me. The,
Ma'am, what?
the distance between
The distance between
two nodes
two nodes
on the stem
on the stem
or a branch
or a branch
is called the internode.
is called the internode.
Now we have done what is a stem. After in the stem we have done what is trunk. Still some disturbance is there, but somebody speaking.
Okay,
And we
ma'am.
have done node. And after that we have done now internode. So node was
Yes, ma'am.
on the stem where one on more leaves grow. When on the stem, one on more leaves
Okay.
grow, that is known as node. And the distance between them is known as internode. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
small leafy structure called bud, what is the small leafy structure? What we call it?
Bud.
Yes.
Bud.
Agamjot. Now Aditi Mehra will speak. She will repeat after me now. The angle formed between the base of a leaf
between the base of a leaf
and the stem
and the stem
is called leaf axil. Is
is
called
called leaf axil.
very good. Now repeat again. The angle formed between the.
The angle formed between the
Everybody knows the meaning of angle. Means the two lines joining together, and that corner is known as the angle. You have done in the maths. Between the base of a leaf
between the base of a leaf
and the stem
and the stem
is called leaf axil.
is called leaf axil.
Okay, bache. Now Aditi has spoken, Agam has spoken, Ashley.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do the definition of vegetable buds. These all are small definitions given on your book. Page number 95. The buds which grow into branches. Say now, Ashley.
Ma'am, repeat it.
The buds
The bud
which grow into branches
which grow into branches
are called vegetable buds.
vegetable buds.
Yes. Now the buds are there, small buds are there. And from that, when the branches comes out, that is called vegetable buds. Okay, now again repeat after me. The buds which grow into flowers
The buds which grow into flowers
are called floral buds. Are called floral buds.
floral
Okay, bache.
floral bud.
Okay, when the bud is growing from the branches, it is called vegetable buds. And when it gives rise to flowers, that is called floral buds. These are the definitions given in the STEM topic, and all I have to study. Okay, Ashley, can you give me
Okay, ma'am.
the function of STEM? What is the function of STEM?
Ma'am,
What is the function of STEM?
STEM is the shoot system.
Shoot system, yes. Okay, what else? Whole weight of the plant is on the stem. You see, if the stem is weak, the plant will not able to be properly in one place. It needs support. If the stem is very strong, then the plant is in the straight position. Anaswi, any one function you can give of stem?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it supports the full plant.
It supports the full plant. Okay. And when we give water to the roots, what happened to the stem? Stem transport that water to the stem also, as well as to the leaves.
Ma'am, all the parts of the plant.
Yes.
Ma'am, leaves, flower, and all the parts of the
One
plant.
more function is when the young stem is there, when the stem is in green color, that time it manufactures food by the process of photosynthesis. Because we know now the green plants make food by the process of photosynthesis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So
Yes,
the main
ma'am.
function is the stem helps in the storage of food. Say repeat after me, beta. Stems helps in the storage of food
STEM helps in the storage of food
and gives mechanical support and gives
and gives mechanical support.
support means properly giving support to all the parts. On that stem, branches are there, leaves are there, flower is there, fruit is there. And last is for defense or protection. What is the
For
function?
defense,
For
for
protection.
defense of protection.
Okay,
Protection.
okay, bache. Now, Akriti Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Aditi, Agam, Ashley, and Anaswi, mute yourself, beta. All mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Akriti,
Okay, ma'am.
very good. Okay, 1 minute. Evika Besson, unmute yourself. Evika, unmute beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have unmuted one participant. What is the name of that participant? Akriti? Akriti and Evika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
the second part written there is leaves on the screen. First, this one will speak. This one, Akriti will speak. Akriti, leaves, please read from the screen.
The photosynthesis
Photosynthesis.
parts of the
Listen.
plants are
Listen,
leaves.
Bache, listen. Photosynthetic. Repeat after me. Photosynthetic.
Photosynthetic
Parts.
parts of the plants are
Leaves.
the
That-
cells present in the leaf contain
Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll
Chlorophyll.
that
Listen. Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll
Bache, chloros. Repeat after me, na. Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll
Fill. Say fill. Yes, chlorophyll. Now, what is the function of the leaves? Leaves helps in the process of photosynthesis. And how they do photosynthesis? Because the leaves contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green color of the plants, which give the green color to the plants. Okay. So, now next participant, I think so I have unmuted. This one, Evika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read bache from the screen flower. Can you see on the screen flower is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. What is written in flower? बच्चे पढ़ो ना, read करो. In angiosperms, what is written? In angiosperms. Say now, beta. Evika, where you have gone, bacha? Evika, are you there? I can hear some, like you are trying to speak. So speak, beta.
In angiosperms, this part of the flower helps in sexual
Production. Now, yesterday we have done angiosperm, Jim. This topic we have done. So we have done androecium, gynoecium, two parts, male and female part. So this angiosperm, that means the part of the flower, helps in sexual reproduction. Male and female is there, which helps in fertilization. And when they get fertilized, they give rise to fruit and the seeds. Which to whom they give rise? They give rise to fruits and seeds. Say beta. Fruits and seeds. Agrima, unmute yourself. Agrima Charak. Agrima faster. Agrima Charak. Unmute yourself. Ayman Fatima, unmute yourself. Ayman Fatima. I am writing the names. Those who are not unmuting now. I'm writing them. Who is there now? Who has unmuted?
Ma'am, Fatima. Ma'am, Fatima.
Ayman Fatima. Okay. Okay, bache, just give me a second. Just give me a second so that I can unmute. Okay, Anureet, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have get in the chance.
Yesterday,
No, ma'am, they on
no problem.
on 5th.
Okay, no problem. You unmute yourself only. So the first participant whom I have unmuted is Ayman Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have done here stem, leaves, and flower. Flower structure whole part we have discussed yesterday, and the various 4 parts also we have discussed. Now,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
structure of leaf I will show you afterwards with the proper diagram. Now, functions of the leaves. Can you tell me what is the one function? You can see on the screen also 2 functions are written. What is the function of
Yes,
leaf?
ma'am.
Hey beta, speak loudly.
The photosynthesis parts of the plant.
Bache, keep your mouth in front of the mic. Keep your
Yes,
mouth
ma'am.
in front of the mic. I am not able to hear clearly.
Leaves. The photosynthesis parts of the parts are leaves. The cells present in the leaf
Contain
contain
chlorophyll.
prosperous that.
But you have to say in your own language. Now, bache, any one function. What is the function of leaf? Leaf help in the process of photosynthesis. Repeat after me.
Okay, ma'am.
Leaves help in the process of
Leaves help in the
photosynthesis.
photosynthesis.
And this photosynthesis is carried only in daytime, not in night,
And
because sunlight, with the help of sunlight, this process goes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is, repeat
Ma'am,
after.
can I read?
Who is that one, bache?
I'm her sister.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Say, beta, say.
Ma'am, function of leaf.
You have to give me one function. I will say one function. You repeat after me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Leaves help in the exchange of oxygen
Leaves help in the exchange of oxygen
and carbon dioxide
and carbon dioxide
through their stomata.
through their stomata.
Now, what are stomata? Stomata are the small pores present on the leaves, which help in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
exchange of gases. Now, which gases are exchanged? Can you tell me 2 names we have said in this? 2 gases names we have said. Which 2 names are there, beta? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Say, oxygen.
Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Yes. And one more process is there that is known as transpiration. What is that topic? Transpiration.
Transpiration.
Now, what is transpiration? When the excess of water is lost from the surface of the leaf. Now, I'll give you a simple example. What is transpiration?
Okay,
When
ma'am.
you pour water in the soil, when you have put a plant in the pot and you are pouring the water in that, what happens? How much water is absorbed? It will absorb. But the remaining water you see, it will come out from the pot. Okay, that means
Okay, ma'am.
the water is excess of water is lost by the process of evaporation. That is known as transpiration. Okay,
Okay,
understand?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya Manotra, unmute yourself. Faster, बच्चे, faster. Radhya, I'm giving you permission to unmute. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Nimrat, unmute yourself. Nimrat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a second, beta. Just give me a second so that I can unmute any other participant also. Bache, one name is there, HSC. I don't know who is that one. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. HSC name is coming. Child name is not coming, bache. Faster. Disappeared. Okay, Tanya Chaudhary, you also unmute yourself. Tanya Chaudhary, unmute yourself. I have given you permission to unmute fast. So lazy people I am having here, na? Okay, Nishchay, unmute yourself. I have given you permission. Nishchay, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute, unmute. Faster. You have to do it very, very fast, girls. Just to click that. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jessica. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya Chaudhary, I'm giving you permission. You are not unmuting yourself. Why? All have to keep their video on. Harpriya, on the video. Tanya Chaudhary, on the video. Faster. Agamjot, I can ask anyone to show me their face. So please don't off the video. Tanya Chaudhary video is off. Japleen, Udita, Hina, Suhavi. Why you have off the video? Pihu, Rujla, Japleen. All on your video. I am looking at each and every child. Bhagavi, Kainat, Pihu. Faster, faster. Tanya Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Okay. Now, first participant, who was the first participant who have unmuted? Say your name.
Ma'am,
Nishchay,
Nimrit.
Nishchay, Jessica, and only 2 participants.
Nimrit.
Oh, what is the other name? Okay, Nishchay. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the topic seed is given on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, read now what is given in the seed here.
Seed. It is the main reproductive parts of plant structure that are reproduced by both
Angiosperm,
angiosperms
and
and gymnosperms.
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 Okay, that means the seed which has come out from the reproductive part, it is the main reproductive part that is produced from the flowering plant also and from the non-flowering plants also. Both are there. Angiosperms and gymnosperms. These names you will learn in higher classes. Okay. And in your book,
Okay, ma'am.
you are having one question, and in that question it is given, what are the various parts of fruit? So, fruit is having 2 main parts. One is seeds. Okay. What is
ma'am.
the seed? Okay, just give me a second. I will share my whiteboard with you so that I am able to write on the whiteboard and you are able to understand what I want to speak. Just give me
ma'am.
1 second. Give me. I will
Okay,
share
ma'am.
with you. Okay. Whiteboard has come on the screen. So I will share my whiteboard. So seeds is having 2 parts. I will write the names of 2 parts. One is SEEDS, seeds, and the other part is, I am writing
Stem.
PERI. New word it is CA. 1 minute. CARP. Pericarp or one more name is there, or fruit, fruit, wall, wall. Okay, now please say the name. What names are these?
Seeds.
Seeds, and the other name is
Seeds.
Perica food wall.
fruit
Or
wall.
fruit wall.
One by one, bache. Next participant after the other one, who was that one participant?
Perica or fruit wall.
Okay, Nimrat, you repeat this two words which are on the screen.
Seeds, pericarp, or fruit wall.
Fruit wall.
Okay, that means the fruits are having two parts. One is the seeds, we find seeds in them, and the other one is pericarp or fruit wall. Now, what is pericarp?
Pericarp or fruit.
Seeds, everybody knows. Everybody knows the meaning of seeds. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Jasvi, you also unmute yourself. Jasvi, unmute yourself. Faster. I'm giving you permission, girls. Unmute yourself. I'm writing the names, those who are not unmuting, but I'm writing their names. Karen Gill, unmute yourself. Faster. Karen Gill. Your video is also not on. Japleen, Ridhima, Rujla, Bhagavi. Videos are not on. Why? Why you people are so lazy? Karen Gill is not unmuting herself. What happened? Javish, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Javish. Okay.
Ma'am, I have unmuted.
Okay, I'm able to see you. Just give me a second. Most of the students have off their video. I don't know why. On your, every child has to on the video. Krishita, on the video. What happened? Okay, Javish. I will write for pericarp here and then you repeat after me. Okay? I have to click here. O-U-T-E-R, outer. C-O-A-T, outer coat is E-X-O, X-O, C-A-R-P. What I have written, beta? Javish, repeat now.
Outer coat is
Exocarp.
Exocarp.
Sometimes we call it, one more name is there. Sometimes we call it E-P-I, Epi, C-A-R-P, epicarp. So outer coat is known as, yes, so fruit is having two parts. One is, and the other is the outer wall, fruit wall, it is, we call it, or we call it pericarp. So the outer coat is known as exocarp or epicarp.
Pericarp.
Very good. Okay, just give me a second. So Jasvi has not on the, she is not unmuting herself. Karen, I don't know why you are not unmuting. I'm giving you permission again. Unmute yourself, Karen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karen, faster, but so much time you people are taking. Who is that one? Karen has not unmuted. Who has unmuted? Say, huh? Jasleen. Speak.
Tejasvi.
Huh?
Tejasvi.
Why so much time you are taking? Okay, Tejasvi. You have to unmute as soon as the teacher says the name. Hina, you also unmute yourself. Hina, unmute yourself. Given you permission. Yes. So, first, Tejasvi will say, the outer coat is exocarp. Say, bacha. The outer coat is exocarp.
The outer coat is exocarp
Or epicarp.
or epicarp.
Now I'm writing one more sentence here. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle MESO. Middle part is 1 minute. MESO. Meso. CARP. Mesocarp. Say beta.
Mesocarp.
Part is known as.
Mesocarp.
Yes, very good. Krishita, where are you looking? Hina?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will write one more sentence here that you read that sentence. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Inner PART. Inner part is ENDO. Endo. CARP. Carp. Say, read this sentence, bacha. The last line there.
Inner part is endocarp.
Endocarp. Okay. Okay, very good. So we have done outer coat is exocarp or epicarp, middle part is mesocarp, inner part is called endocarp. And when we will keep all these three parts collectively, that is called pericarp. What is the Hina? What sentence I have said? When these three are collected together, then it is called pericarp. Okay, then
Pericarp.
बोलो ना बच्चा से.
Ma'am, not able to hear you clearly.
Okay, I will repeat again. Okay, I am saying when all these three regions are collected together, then it is known as pericarp or fruit wall.
When all these regions are collected together,
Yes, that is called pericarp.
that is called pericarp.
Okay, Hina, thank you. Harpriya, unmute yourself. Harpriya, unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Okay. Anya Sharma, unmute yourself. Anya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Harpriya, did you understand which topic we have done now?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the topic? We have done a topic which is new for you. You have never heard that word. So which was that?
Pericarp, exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp.
Mesocarp, बच्चे, mesocarp. It is still on.
Parts of
Yes. Krishita, your mute unmute is not coming. First I saw your video, now you are not there. Join faster. Kritika also. Your mute unmute is not coming. That means you have just joined the class. And Gungun, unmute yourself. Gungun. Bache, don't raise your hand, na. I have to give chance to the girls who did not get chance yesterday. I am giving them today. Some have got chance yesterday. So all cannot get chance on one day, na. Okay, Gungun, just wait. Japneet, you also unmute yourself. Japneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Gungun, please read the names given on the screen of the seeds. Seeds, you know the outer coating is there. Then inside cotyledon that you have done in smaller classes. And the pericarp or fruit wall. Please say that name. What is the outer coat known as?
Ma'am,
Exocarp.
One by one, bache. Japneet, you wait. Gungun will say first and then you will say. Say exocarp. Say the outer coat is known as?
exocarp.
Exocarp or epicarp.
Epicarp.
Yes. Now, Japneet, you say what is the middle part known as?
Mesocarp.
Mesocarp. Meso. Okay.
Mesocarp.
And the inner part, say Japneet, what is the inner part known as?
Endocarp.
Okay. Jagriti Pandita, please on your unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have done the new part here. Now, bache, new words we have done here. The various parts of fruit, seeds. I have not explained, but I have explained the other part. Pericarp or what is the name written on the screen?
Seed fruit wall.
What seed fruit wall, bacha? Seeds. Seeds is the other word. Pericarp or fruit wall is the other word. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Because this word has come with that, na? So that's why confusion is there. Just give me a second. Pericarp or fruit wall is one word. I'm writing fruit wall here. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. W-A-L-L wall. Now can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say now. Pericarp or,
Pericarp or fruit wall.
yes, pericarp or fruit wall. So two names are there. One is seeds, other is pericarp or fruit wall.
Or
And these
fruit
are the
wall.
few topics we have done. Okay. Do you know what is pollination? Bache, do you know what is pollination? If you know, say yes. If you don't know, I will give you the answer. Don't take tension.
No, ma'am.
Cushion, please sit properly. So, I will
Ma'am.
write now. Anji bache. Say beta. Gurshan, on your video. Udita, on your video. And Gurshan, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Gurshan. Faster. Yes, on your video also, bache. Pollination. Now, Gurshan, can you see one topic I have written on the screen? What is that topic?
Pollination.
Pollination. So, I will tell you what is pollination. The transfer of, I will write it here so that it will become easy for you to say. The, 1 minute, just give me. Okay. The transfer, the transfer of pollen, pollen, grains, the transfer of pollen grains from anther, anther to stigma. Now say please, Gushan, the transfer, what I have written on the screen. Say that answer.
The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma.
Yes. When the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma, anther is the male part and the stigma is the female part. That is known as pollination. What that is known as? Pollination.
Pollination.
Okay.
Pollination.
Fine. So I will unmute all. Anybody wants to ask anything? Can ask.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Understood to
No,
all
ma'am.
what we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Functions of stem, leaves, fruit, we have done 2 parts. What is pollination? Okay. Okay, bache. Shall we end up the class? Bye to all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
God bless you all. Okay. Bye. Bye, bache.